Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to continue to look at and listen for vowel sounds in our first syllables and second syllables. And this week we're focusing again on the vowel sound E. We are focusing on long E this week and short E as well. So you will be hearing the long E sound in the first syllable and the second syllable. And then sometimes the vowel pattern that we're going to be seeing this week might end up sounding short within the first syllable. So we'll talk about that too. So let's go ahead and we're going to go through and read our words, and then we'll look at our pattern. We have needle, season, compete, feature, pleasant, extreme, eastern, people. Then we have feather, increase, repeat, heavy, meaning, 15, steady, reader. Then we have succeed, leather, defeat, freedom, indeed, sweater, healthy, and 13. So looking up here at the top, when we look at our headers, we have our first long E sound in our first syllable. We're looking at the bold word here, needle, and we're going to notice we have a double vowel here. We know that long E can be made in a lot of different ways, but today you're going to see it created with a double vowel EE or EA, and then sometimes you're going to see a vowel consonant E as well. So we'll look at those. So in this case, needle, when I clap it out, needle, we have our cut here. When we clap, we hear our long E sound right in that first syllable. I'm going to hop over here actually to our second long, where you see the word succeed. Here again we have our double vowel making our long E sound again. And when I clap out succeed, succeed, the break is here, and you notice my long E sound is in my second syllable. So again, you're really going to have to clap those out and listen for that vowel sound. The difference this week from what we've been doing is you're going to actually see a vowel pattern that should create a long sound, but it actually creates a short sound, like in the word feather. So when I clap out feather, feather, here's my break. EA should make a long E sound, but it doesn't. It actually makes a short E sound. You hear eh in feather. So this week you're going to read through your words. Really take your time, clap them out. Where do you hear the long E sound? Is it in the first syllable? Is it in the second syllable? Or are you not hearing the long E sound at all? You're actually hearing the short E sound in the first syllable. So take your time, look through that, and as soon as you're ready, you can grab your scissors and start cutting. All right, happy sorting.